Hey everyone, first thing is first, I purchased everything in this video with my own money. I wish I was being sponsored, but I am not. This is a completely unsponsored unboxing and review of Ana Luisa Luv AJ jewelry. I'm so excited about this video, you guys. If you love jewelry and you love Instagram, you've probably heard of both of these brands several time and time again, and you've probably been interested at some point. So today I'm here to show you guys some of their most popular pieces and their new releases, and I have a ton of items to get through. So let's just get started. If at any point you find yourself enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with a video suggestion of something that you want to see in the future from me. However, that is also the way to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away 10 Wildflower Cases gift cards to their website for $25 each. Subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment down below with a video suggestion is also how you enter my giveaway for the Wildflower Cases gift cards. If you want any other details about my giveaway, it'll be right here in this video above if you want to check it out after this one. I'm most excited about this unboxing because after I'm done with it, I can throw out the packaging and start using my new jewelry. Just so you know, I took the label off of all the boxes because it will come with your address on it, so you know, privacy. All of this is a lot in this box. The very first thing that we have here is this beautiful dainty little bracelet, my first dainty little bracelet from Ana Luisa. It's called the Ayla regular bracelet, not to be mistaken with the Ayla bold bracelet, which I also purchased as well, which I will be showing you next. This is what the Ayla regular bracelet looks like on, and it's dainty and it's beautiful for every day. Next up, I believe we have the Ayla bold bracelet. This is the Ayla bold bracelet on. I love it. It's bold and it's non-apologetic for being so bold and in your face, but it's still perfect for every day. So I love it. I'm here for it. This is how the Ayla bold and the Ayla regular look together. This is how I plan on wearing it when I want a more in your face, like I'm here, deal with it kind of look. The bold and the regular. Next, we have something by a collaboration with Lisa Ree. I think she's an influencer on Instagram or on YouTube. My jewelry collection was really lacking in bracelets, so that's what I'm trying to correct here. That's why we're seeing 3 in a row, and I had to have this one because of the little heart pendant at the end. I thought that was absolutely beautiful, especially because I already have a few heart-shaped pieces from Ana Luisa. And she is called the Lisa Twisted Chain Bracelet. She is beautiful. So the Lisa Twisted Chain Bracelet is just a little bit more dressed up, and it's just giving a little bit more of a different vibe. It's still great for every day, which is how I plan on wearing it. And if I was to pair the Lisa Twisted Chain Bracelet with one of the others that I just showed you, I would put it with this one, the Ayla regular Lisa Twisted Chain Bracelet. I feel like these two together give a cute little elevated glam. Next, I have the Leo regular long necklace. This is a 22-inch necklace. So I have the Leo regular long necklace on right now, and it's stunning and it's shiny and it's giving what you need an everyday necklace to give. I think it looks beautiful. Alright, so what do we have next? It must be the Leo regular short. beautiful. Wow. So everybody, I got the Leo regular short for the same reasons that I got the Leo regular long, because it's just beautiful and simple and a little bit edgier for every day. It's very similar to the Ana Luisa Jusuf necklace, which I also have. This is just a little bit more daintier and a little bit understated. This is what the Leo regular short looks like on, and I think it's just simple and sweet for every single day. If you want to dress it up a little bit, you can do that as well. I find that shorter necklaces dress up a little bit better in my personal opinion. I'll just take a moment to show you what the Leo regular short and the Leo regular long look like together. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like if I pair the Jusuf necklace, which I've had for about 3 months now, with the brand new ones. I have the Jusuf necklace on without the extender, so this is as it comes. It's way too short and it's literally choking me right now. It's a choker, but I don't like chokers because they actually, you know, they really do choke me. So I always use the extender, the Ana Luisa extender with it. And I think this was about $10 on Ana Luisa's website. Completely unrelated to this video, these two pieces, but they are Ana Luisa, and I know somebody would probably want to know what this very similar necklace looks like with the other two. I'm just showing you guys what you're in for if you buy the Jusuf necklace without the extender. This is a Leo regular short and the Leo regular long. And I've always wanted safety pin earrings, so I'm so glad to finally have them. I just wanted them to be a little bit more unique and not just a regular safety pin. These ones have a really cute heart pendant at the end, so let's check them out. So I put the Kora heart-shaped safety pin earrings in, and I think they look absolutely amazing. A little tip that I have is to take your dust bag and shine the earrings once you put them on your ear, because they get a lot of fingerprints on them when you first put them in because you're touching them so much, trying to wiggle them into your ear. So when I made my first Ana Luisa purchase, I brought the Jessica puffed heart hoop earring. I'm going to try them on for you guys right now to show you why I brought the Kora earring. I think that they offset each other so wonderfully and they're so beautiful paired together. So this next piece is a happy mistake. I actually ended up ordering the Cassie earring. Ana Luisa accidentally sent me the Claire earring instead, which is cute as well, but it wasn't what I ordered. So I did contact them and they actually sent me the correct ones. I'll show you guys those later, but for right now, I'll show you guys the Claire earring. They allowed me to keep these since they made a mistake. And in my personal opinion, and which I told them as well, this is a super easy shipping mistake to make, as both of the earrings look almost identical. There's only a very small twist to them, and they both have a very similar name with actually the same amount of letters in the name, and they both start with the same letter. They're both the Claire and the Cassie earrings, so I think they're super easy to mix up. Anyway, I think that's super extra sustainable of them to allow you to keep happy mistakes, because it just creates more waste in our environment sending them back. It's really cool that you guys allowed me to keep it. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa. So I now have the Claire earring on. I actually plan on wearing them for the most part in my second piercing hole, but I wanted to show you guys for demonstration purposes what they look like in my first piercing hole. They're super dainty and super sweet for when you want an earring that's just very minimal. This is the absolutely most minimal earring that I have in my collection now. And I love that they're not just a basic stud earring. They wrap around in the back, which adds a little bit of interest to them. Next, we have the Souryaz butterfly necklace. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I don't have any butterfly jewelry, so this is a very exciting moment. Alright everybody, I have on the Souryaz butterfly pendant necklace, and it is so dainty, small, and sweet. So excited for what's next. This is the Everly gold band ring. I purchased it in a size 8. It only fits on my ring finger, either one of them. Doesn't really fit that well on any of my other fingers, so I definitely think I'm gonna have to size up to a size 9 for my bigger fingers and maybe a size 6 for my smaller fingers. It's just beautiful and elegant, and I'm so glad that I chose it as my first Ana Luisa ring. I think it's just wonderful. For my second Ana Luisa ring ever in my life, I chose the gold rope bold ring in a size 8 as well. And I couldn't get that last ring without getting the matching earrings. These are absolutely amazing. This is the Paris twisted hoop earring, and they are dainty and gorgeous. Wow. This is how the Paris earring look. Aren't they incredible? Don't they look amazing? Look at that, you guys. Wow. So classy. Ooh. Now this is what the rope bold ring and the Paris earring look like together. Parisian chic. I feel like I'm gonna go have some wine and croissants. So what I have next is the mini Abbey hoop earring, and they are fabulous and gorgeous and amazing. Look at that. So on Ana Luisa's website, one of the customer reviews described this as being perfect for South Korea, where that customer lives. And I agree, this is giving me like South Korean hottie, South Korean girl next door vibes, and I'm here for it. I love them. This is them, the mini Abbey hoop earring, and they are so cute, so sweet and dainty and adorable. And for anybody who wants to know, I also have the regular sized Abbey hoop earring, and I'm going to try this on for you as well so you can see the size comparison. I thought it was really important to have both because they're both just so gorgeous for every day to switch up your look. So this is what the regular Abbey hoop earring as well as my new one, the mini Abbey hoop earring, look like together. I just wanted to show you guys. I was planning on originally wearing them together, but now I'm thinking it might be too much. By the way, these are both of the Abbey earrings side by side. The large Abbey earrings as well as the mini, and as you can see, there is quite a color difference. They're both 14 karat gold plated over brass. However, this one is definitely more of an orangey colored gold, and this one is more of a proper yellow gold, as you can see. You see that? I also noticed that a lot on the website. When I had first brought this pair a few months ago, I noticed that the color was definitely quite different. To me, personally, they look a little bit like two different shades of gold. Next, I have the Cassie earring, and this is the one that I told you I originally ordered, but my order was just a little bit mixed up. This is how they look on for a cute little inconspicuous shine. I also just wanted to take a moment to show you what the Cassie and the Claire earring look like together. The Cassie earring as well as the Claire earring, they basically do the same thing, but one has a cubic zirconium diamond and one is plain, just a round stud. Now let's move on to Luv AJ. Confession, if you follow me on Instagram, if not, you definitely should. It is right here. I have been wearing these items on Instagram ever since I purchased them. I forgot how gorgeous the inside of this box is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna open our little Luv AJ dust bag, pull out our first item. That is the Amalfi hoops. They are gorgeous. So clearly this is a timeless earring that in my community we have been wearing for decades and decades, since before I was even born, and they are so beautiful and at a great price point. Of course, after I saw Bella Hadid wearing them several times over the last couple of years, I was just like, where are those earrings from? Where are they from? Because Bella always makes them look so good, and I knew that they would have to be good quality, and they absolutely are. It's really hard to find really good tube hoop earrings, and Luv AJ just perfected them. This is them, my new everyday hoop. They look so classy and timeless, so I'm just so excited to see how they hold up and what they look like after lots of use and wear. Alright, so what's next is the baby Amalfi hoops. So I always see Bella Hadid, Gigi Hadid, and Hailey Bieber especially wearing the baby Amalfi hoops, and they are absolutely beautiful. I see Madison Beer wearing both of them actually, the baby Amalfi hoops and the regular size Amalfi hoops. So the baby Amalfi hoops look beautiful on those girls, so I wanted to get it for myself for that pretty girl look. Just in case you were wondering, I wanted to show you what the Amalfi tube hoops look like with the baby Amalfi tube hoops as well. Would you wear it like this? Next, we have the mini Heartbreaker hoops from Luv AJ. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Look at that. So cute. I'm just a heart-shaped fanatic, self-explanatory really. By the way, as you can see, the words Luv AJ are embossed on the side. This is them, the mini heartbreak hoop, and I just cannot wait to wear them with some of the other heart-shaped jewelry that I showed you guys in this video. What's next is a Sivan Ayla collab. This is the Barcelona necklace. I've always wanted one of these types of necklaces, but they're just so expensive, so I'm really glad I was able to find one at an affordable price by Luv AJ. You guys nailed it. This is so good. So this is how the Barcelona necklace is looking. It looks absolutely beautiful. So now I have more Luv AJ. This is the mini Cuban link earring, and they're absolutely stunning and just so classy. They're giving me a little bit of like an 80s tease, and I just love it. 80s meets 2021. So this is my Luv AJ mini Cuban link hoops on now, and I think they look fabulous. Perfect for just like a cute everyday moment, just a quick little moment, and it's giving what it needs to give. The very last thing today is the regular size Cuban link hoop, and they are just so beautiful. I actually got them to layer with the mini Cuban hoops. If you're still watching the video at this point, leave me a diamond emoji somewhere in the comment section. I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys what the mini Cuban link earrings look like paired with the regular size Cuban link earrings. So just to go over the couple of differences and comparisons between Ana Luisa jewelry and Luv AJ jewelry, in my personal opinion, Ana Luisa jewelry is for the everyday girl. It's very casual. It can be dressed up a little bit, which is what I love about it, but their styles are so seamless with any different kind of clothing that you want to incorporate it with, which I love so much about it. Ana Luisa jewelry looks amazing by itself or paired with other pieces, and Ana Luisa jewelry is very environmentally sustainable. They care so much about the environment, and they use recycled materials to create their products. Now Luv AJ, on the other hand, it's very glamorous, it's very bold. Their pieces are amazing to be worn alone. They're such statement pieces, but they can also be paired with a couple of other more dainty pieces to create like a beautiful seamless jewelry look. I did do some research on Luv AJ, looked as much as I could, and I couldn't find anything on them being sustainable. I could be wrong, but if they are, there isn't any information on their website to make that known to me, so I'm not sure. But I'd have to say no. But their jewelry is still very beautiful and very affordable anyway. So I would classify Luv AJ as a very glamorous jewelry brand. They have a really large array and a bigger selection of large hoop earrings, whereas Ana Luisa focuses more on small, dainty, like everyday staple pieces, not so much like big, bold earrings the way Luv AJ does. And Luv AJ probably has a bigger selection of earrings and a smaller selection of like rings, bracelets, and and necklaces, you know what I mean? So I hope that those comparisons help, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. I had so much fun trying on all the jewelry for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you have anything to say to me at all, leave me a comment down below in the comment section of this video at any point in time. Even if you see this video like a year later, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. That is the best way to get in contact with me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.